May I come in, ma'am?
Please come in.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. May I sit?
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Sahil Ansari. I am from Devariya district, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 10th and 12th from CBSE board. I am a sport person. I have district level certificate in swimming. I have working experience of 2 years in mechanical field, which helped me to learn technical skill, gaining experience and how to work in a team. I come from a nuclear family having a member of 4, my parents, my elder brother and I. My hobbies are swimming and doing physical exercise at home. My aim is to make a long-term career in Merchant Navy.
Okay, why Merchant Navy, Sahil?
I want to join Merchant Navy because I want to support my family. This job provide good professional life and financial stable career. No one in my background has joined this field, so I want to become the one and inspire other.
Okay, you want to inspire others. Who inspired you to join this career?
Ma'am, my father's friend inspired me to join this career because he is a AB in Synergy company.
What are the responsibilities and roles of an AB?
Ma'am, the first responsibility is watch keeping, helping in cargo operations, helping the bosun in daily maintenance of ship, like cleaning, chipping, painting.
Okay, what do you understand by chipping?
Chipping means removing rust and oil paint to protect ship body from rust or corrosion.
What is your father's profession, sir?
Ma'am, my father is a two-wheeler mechanic.
He's a two-wheeler mechanic.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me something about what safety he has to take care of in his business? You know, he's a mechanic though.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, splitting of oil, which can cause sleeping. It is a very common, it is a very common cause of safety, which can affect safety. And fire, smoking. These are the common cause which can cause.
What do you understand by fire, sir?
Ma'am, fire stands for find, inform, extinguish, restrict and extinguish.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between speed and velocity?
Ma'am, speed is the
Okay, distance and displacement?
ma'am, distance is the longest way covered by an object and displacement is the shortest part between initial and final point.
How ship moves forward?
Ma'am, ship moves forward due to Newton's third law. When propeller pushes the water backward, then water pushes the ship forward.
Okay, what is potential difference?
Ma'am, work done in moving one charge from one place to another is known as potential difference.
What do you understand by acceleration?
Ma'am, the rate of change in velocity is known as acceleration.
Okay, Sahil, so what do you understand by safety on ship?
Ma'am, safety is very important at ship because people are working in a very high risk environment and far from immediate help. Safety helps to protect ship, vessel as well as life of the people.
Okay, so do you have a girlfriend?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do you wish to have one in the future?
No, ma'am. Because firstly, I want to build a secure future.
Okay, so will you ever get married in the future?
Yes, ma'am. I will
Okay.
get married.
So let's say Sahil, your wife says, Sahil, this is getting very burdensome. Please leave your job and come and have enjoy your time with your family. What will Sahil do then?
Ma'am, if I get married, my wife is already aware about my profession, that a person have to live away from 6 to 8 months from his family. So he understand the profession, and there is a holiday, there is a vacation of 2 to 3 months in the, sorry ma'am, sorry.
Okay, fine. Fine. Sahil, why should we hire you?
Ma'am, you should hire me because I have working experience of 2 years in mechanical field, and I know how to work in a team. My commitment to safety and work well in a team make me different from other.
What do you understand by team player and a team leader? What is the difference between the two?
Ma'am, team leader is a person who guide all the team players, and team players are the person who help the team leader to complete the task smoothly and effectively.
Who is more better, team leader or a team player?
Ma'am, both are good, but in Merchant Navy, team player is very important. As I no, as for me, team. I like to support team and work with team because I believe a good team player eventually becomes a good team leader.
Okay, that's great. So, where are you from?
I am from Devariya district, Uttar Pradesh.
Devariya district, Uttar Pradesh. Who is the governor of Uttar Pradesh?
Ma'am, Governor of Uttar Pradesh is Anandi bin Patel, Mrs. Anandi bin Patel.
आपकी वर्क एक्सपीरियंस क्या है?
Sir, my experience included servicing of bike, oil changing, lubricating, greasing at my shop.
टेल मी द नेम ऑफ वेरियस डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ बाइक.
Sir, motor guard, head, oil tanker, engine, tires, seat, backlight.
व्हाट इज
headlight.
स्पार्क प्लग?
Spark plug is a electrical component which is used to provide spark in the engine.
क्या आपने कभी बाइक इंजन को ओवरऑल किया है,
Yes, sir.
डीअसेंबल किया है?
Yes, sir.
नॉट टेल मी द स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर ऑफ डीअसेंबलिंग ऑफ बाइक सिलेंडर हेड पार्ट.
Sir, firstly, we have to take the spanner and all the equipments which is required to
Very
open the
good.
engine.
वेरी गुड.
We open the topmost cover of the
Very good.
cylinder.
Good.
Then cylinder liner. Then all engine parts will be sequentially we open.
व्हाट इज पिस्टन?
Sir, piston is a mechanical component which compress the air inside the engine.
विच डिपार्टमेंट वुड यू लाइक टू जॉइन?
Sir, I am comfortable with the both department, but I prefer engine department. to
So
join.
tell me the various different types of machineries inside the engine room.
Sir, incinerator, pump, fresh water generator.
What is fresh water generator?
Sir, fresh water generator is a device which is used to convert seawater into fresh water.
What is distillation process?
Sir, it is a combined effect of evaporation and condensation.
A plus B whole square,
A square plus B square plus 2AB.
A minus B whole cube,
A cube minus B cube minus 3AB in bracket A minus B.
smallest composite number.
4.
So tell me, how will you support your team during tough work?
Sir, I will follow the instruction given by my senior. I will try to give 100% towards my work and I will try to complete the work on time.
Suppose if you don't understand an order,
Okay, sir.
what will you do?
Sir, I will politely ask to my senior because safety is very important. If I don't know how to do that work, then it will affect the operation as well as safety.
Okay, that's all. हाँ, your name?
Sahil Ansari.
साहिल अंसारी. सबसे अच्छी बात यह है जो आपकी इंट्रोडक्शन है वो काफ़ी अच्छी थी एंड आप वहाँ पर स्विमर, आप डिस्ट्रिक्ट चैंपियन रहे हो स्विमर.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, स्विमिंग में डिस्ट्रिक्ट चैंपियन रहे हो, तो ये बोलना है वहाँ पर जैसे आपने इंट्रोडक्शन में बोला.
Thank
ये बहुत अच्छी पार्ट है. और सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, आपसे काफ़ी सारे क्रॉस क्वेश्चंस होने वाले हैं मैकेनिक रिलेटेड थिंग्स से.
Yes, sir.
क्यों? क्योंकि आपकी फादर्स की ये बिजनेस है या वो वर्क करते हैं?
सब बिजनेस ये गैरेज है अपना.
बिजनेस है, गैराज है अपना, राइट? तो मेक श्योर कि उनसे थोड़ी बहुत और बातें करो, क्या क्या वर्क होती है. आपने भी वर्क किया है.
Yes, sir.
तो थोड़ी बहुत आपकी नॉलेज तो मुझे झलक रही थी कि आपने वर्क किया. जिस तरीके से मैंने आपको बोला कि कैसे ओवरऑल करोगे, डिसमेंटल करोगे, तो मतलब आपकी फादर्स प्रोफेशन एंड आपकी एक्सपीरियंस ही आपको सिलेक्शन दिलाने वाली है.
Yes, sir.
टीएस रहमान की इंटरव्यू में एंड अदर इंटरव्यू में, ट्रस्ट मी. तो इसको जितना बेटर कर लो. अभी आगे आपकी एमईके में 4 स्ट्रोक इंजन, 2 स्ट्रोक
Yes, sir.
इंजन भी
ये-
चलेगी. तो अभी आप क्लासेस लेते हो डिप्लोमा की, आईटीआई की?
No, sir.
नहीं ले रहे हो. तो आपकी प्रोफेशन, फादर्स की जो प्रोफेशन है ना, वो इंजन रिलेटेड है एंड आप इंजन डिपार्टमेंट में भी जाना चाहते हो, तो क्लासेस लेना स्टार्ट कर दो. रात को क्लासेस हो रही है ना, नाइट
Sir,
क्लासेस.
I am a day scholar.
आप डे स्कॉलर हो,
Yes.
ठीक है. तो आपकी एमईके, रेगुलर एमईके में वो चीजें कवर हो जाएगी.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Sahil, you have to work on the pronunciation. है ना? Pronunciation कहाँ है? क्योंकि शाह का जा रहा है. वहाँ थोड़ा सा काम करना है. Slang नहीं यूज करना है. You know, बीच-बीच में आ रहा
तो
था.
ये
वो नहीं.
ये फॉल्ट.
ठीक है, ये नहीं, यहाँ काम करना. ही और शी में आप कंफ्यूज थे. ठीक है, जब आपसे पूछा गया वाइफ के बारे में तो आप ही बोल रहे हो, शी बोलेंगे ना.
Okay.
तो यहाँ काम.
थैंक यू सो मच.
स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी नहीं बता पा रहे हो.
Total distance covered by an object per unit time. At that time, I just got.
नहीं, वहां पर डिफरेंस में आपको स्केलर वेक्टर क्वांटिटी पे ज्यादा फोकस करना है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Sorry, sir. थैंक यू सो मच।